Hey everyone, today I'm making shredded chicken in Instant Pot, which is universal. You can use it either for tacos or you can use it on your salad. So let's get into your recipe. All right, these are all the ingredients which you need to make shredded chicken. On the left you have taco shells. I'll be using shredded chicken on tacos. You can either use it on your salad. I have around 2 pounds of chicken here. I have oil, chicken broth, and I have the taco seasoning mix. I have 2 of this here, and I have onions which will be used for cooking once the shredded chicken is done. The first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna place the chicken in the Instant Pot, but you're not gonna place it directly on the base. We are gonna use this rack which comes with the Instant Pot. Next, you're gonna pour chicken broth into the base of the Instant Pot. We need to make sure it covers the rack. Once you have placed the chicken on the rack, it's time to season the chicken with the taco seasonings which we have. Just pour them on the breast, cover them up. What we're gonna do is just close the Instant Pot with the lid and pressure cook it for 12 minutes. Make sure the vessel is in sealing mode. Turn on the pressure cook option and set the timer to 12 minutes, and we'll come back after that. Alright, it has completed 12 minutes. Now I'm gonna release the pressure by pushing the vessel to the venting mode. And transfer the chicken breast to a plate, to a fresh plate. This is not the one which I had the raw chicken breast on. Transfer them and then just shred the chicken. The contents of the Instant Pot are transferred. The chicken has been put into a plate, and we had the broth in a jar. Now we are going to shred this chicken and use it for cooking. We have shredded our chicken. Now we are going to saute the chicken with the onions in the Instant Pot. So turn on the Instant Pot and set the saute mode to normal. And we are going to pour some oil in the Instant Pot. So the inner lining has been heated up. Now I'm gonna add the oil. Give it a minute to heat up, and then we're gonna add onions and saute it for a minute, and then you're gonna transfer the chicken into it. I have added onions and put some ginger garlic paste as well. Now we are gonna stir the contents. After a minute, we're going to transfer the chicken into Instant Pot. Once the chicken has been transferred into Instant Pot, stir the contents. Now we are going to pour some chicken broth into the Instant Pot just for the chicken to get more moisture. I'm not going to use a complete broth, just half of it. And let the chicken cook for 5 minutes. So chicken has completed cooking. Now let's grab some contents into a bowl. Alright, this is how our shredded chicken looks like. So I'm gonna use this chicken on the taco shells which I have here. I'm gonna season them up with tomatoes and spinach. So we are done finally. So I stuffed the tacos with chicken, and I put some tomatoes, spinach, and I seasoned them up with the blue cheese. These look very yummy. I hope you guys followed this video. Thank you for watching.